Today we are reviewing the ARZOPA portable 16-inch monitor. This is how it looks like. And right here it says alive with a mobile life. Let's now unbox it. Alrighty. Let's see. As you can see, it's 144 Hz, IPS ultra wide viewing angles, 1080p monitor, ultra lightweight, Type C, HDMI, and it's ultra portable. Alrighty, now let's take a look inside the box. Right here is, we got the manual. Put it to the side. And next we have a warranty card. Put that to the side. Next is we have a USB-C to USB-C cable right here on both ends. And next up is a USB-A to USB-C cable right here. And then next up is we have a HDMI mini to an HDMI cable right here. And yep, that's all for inside the box. Now let's take a look at it. As you can see right here, the top button is a power button, and the middle one is a up and down volume control button, and the third one is a settings button for your monitor. And right here we have the speaker, and right here is a mini HDMI hole, and then two Type C holes right here, and right here we also have the stand, which is very good. It's nice and sturdy when you pull it out. Now you put it right here. You put it right here, and boom. Looking good, looking fresh. Now we have a Samsung phone connected to the ARZOPA portable monitor, and right now it's mirrored. So we're playing a game right now called Baseball 9, and it looks so great, and the speakers are just amazing. You can hear everything and see everything clearly. It's like you're playing the game too. These are my final thoughts on the ARZOPA Z1FC 16.1 inch 144 Hz portable monitor. It is so great. I love the quality of the video, and the speakers are great for your ears. You can hear everything correctly, and you can use it for a PC, a laptop, consoles like the Xbox Series X, PS5, Nintendo Switch, all of that. And I recommend this buy. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next review.